In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the Chrome browser quickly and easily so you can make sure you're always using the latest version with the newest features, performance improvements, and security updates. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the simplest things you can do to help your browser run smoothly and stay protected. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots icon. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find a lot of browser settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, hover over Help and then click About Google Chrome. This is the section Chrome uses to check your browser version and look for updates automatically. As soon as you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will begin checking for updates on its own. You do not need to download anything manually or search for an update button in most cases. If your browser is already up to date, Chrome will tell you right away. If an update is available, Chrome will start downloading it in the background. Depending on your internet connection and how large the update is, this may take a few moments, so just let it finish. Once the update has completed, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. After Chrome reopens, the new version will be active and you're good to go. If you had any tabs open, Chrome will usually restore them automatically, so you can pick up right where you left off. And that's really all there is to it. Updating Chrome only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how well your browser performs and how secure your browsing experience is. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.